Welcome back to another video. It's been 2 weeks since I recorded, but now every single Tuesday I'm gonna make a new video. My brother's being weird. Today we'll just be doing a vlog of nature.
Please comment
So
on
beautiful.
videos.
Whatever. So that's the Crown Inn sign.
They know what it is. They've seen it a million times in our video.
Yeah, I know.
Then why show it again?
I'll just stay
Why
down.
show it again?
Calm down. Calm down. Hi, yelling child. I think a river used to be there 1,000 years ago. I think it looks like a river formed there. I learned it stopped. But it's for real. It could have grown there. Oh, it could have been there.
You are
in
dumb,
school, in 6th grade.
stupid.
Get it right, 5th grader.
Boy. What's your opinion on
If any of sass, he means sauce in meme form.
That's right.
These are the rocks. The manager of the hotel moved them here because when it rains, it like forms a stream down there.
This is why she stopped the river flow.
Why?
This is how she stopped it.
Okay. I think some of this is poison ivy. I'm gonna try to be careful. More nature, more nature. Over there is huge. More nature, more nature. More nature, more nature. There's a tree. Dollar General. Dollar General isn't that responsible to remove these trees from the area.
Because they're so poor.
And it's a cheap store.
Ugh.
That's where our mom used to live.
Unless you guys want
Crown
a
Inn.
tour around Crown Inn,
It's called.
we can show you.
Yeah, okay.
I farted.
You're lying.
No, I'm not. That's the second time.
You're disgusting. You're disgusting. Still makes no sense.
I wish I hadn't kicked that blue.
Still going. Crown Inn is way better. It has inside rooms and not outside rooms like we live. We wish we lived over there. Wish. That happens after it rains over here. giant puddle and lots of nature and forces. See, I think somebody went down there, or somebody cut down this tree. I think.
I can get over there. I feel like getting your shoes dirty.
Yep.
Dang! Look at those cool new paintings!
Okay.
I'm gonna go check that out.
Back there is where we met a cat called Cosmic. We fed him Vienna sausage, or whatever it's called, and he followed us all the way back. And the lady scared him off, the hotel manager of the place. We called her the lady. Where are you going? Jalen! 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 What are you doing? Okay. Coming.
Where those cherry trees are growing.
Oh yeah, by the way, I have seed. This is what he was talking about.
It's an orange seed.
I got it from lunch. I'm not sure if it'll work.
Probably not. Are those really cherries on that tree?
Let's go check.
Get me some of that, boy.
Dude, it could be snakeberries.
Who would grow snakeberries?
I don't.
Unless there's snakes around this area, and we better be cautious or we're gonna die. Yep, there's snakeberries. I underestimated cherries. That's snakeberries.
Looks delicious though. I'm not gonna eat them.
Poisonous. Come on. Let's do this side.
No, decide.
There's two sides. I guess I'll meet you on the other one.
No. No, we're not doing that.
This place is pretty legit. It looks like it has an elevator, but it's actually just stairs. Told you those are some cool art. Those are the butterfly one.
See? Butterfly. Whatever
My
that is.
personal favorite.
A moon behind there and an ugly Elsa. That's where we got sodas. One time my dollar got stuck in there.
Yeah, and I had to pull it out.
You can see it behind my shadow. What?
Dog just out of there.
This way, behind Dollar General.
Excuse me? I thought we were taking a tour around this place.
No, not completely around.
You suck at top.
It means chicken.
Or dealer.
Weirdo.
How much minutes so far?
12. 9 minutes and 15 seconds. Ew!
Oh, and
Mushy.
next step that dog doo-doo everywhere.
If a dog hears it, that dog. Like this.
Now what you do is jump up the wall, he'll run into the water, get his paws dirty, have to lick it off, and we run.
Ooh.
Bike.
Ooh. I'm scared. That doesn't belong to us.
This thing's cool looking, but enough.
I'm not taking my chances. Back around to Dollar General. I'm gonna have to start cutting it into this video. Hold the camera. Dude, hold the phone camera.
Fine, big baby.
Face it at me. Alright, come on.
1 second.
You better be into it.
Thank you. I'm sorry. I couldn't help myself.
Video still going?
Yes.